Hello and welcome back. This time we're going to have experiment 3 about fluid flow using energy equations. You can pause the video to see the materials that we have used. If you are interested in conducting the experiment, all you need to have is a working sink, an apparatus, a ruler, and a working stopwatch. I'll explain the apparatus in the video. Hello everyone, good morning. Experiment 3 about fluid flow. So, yung apparatus natin dito is madali lang. Mark siya ng 3 distinct na points, and ang gagawin lang natin pag need maglagyan ng flow ng tubig para malaman yung velocity ng pagpasok ng tubig dun sa apparatus. So, yung apparatus is fit dapat sa yung height niya is fit dapat dun sa sink na gagamitin, and then yung tatlong distinct point is measure lang, hindi naman need na distinct yung height niya, pero sa amin ang height niyan would be 50 mm, 100 mm, pati ito 50 mm, 100 mm, and then 150. Yeah. But to keep the apparatus steady and fit, we have decided to put a simple support below. In every experiment, we would like to try and find out the concept in everything we do. So, in every experiment, a group discussion must be held for every group member to understand the core value or the concept behind the experiment. So, in this part of the video, makikita natin na nagkakaroon kami ng simple discussion. It is not us fighting, but rather a way for us to understand the concept and for us to work fast, steady, and efficient. Let this be a tip to the viewers for them to maximize the experiment. No? For them to maximize and to understand every experiment, you need to have a discussion. And para hindi lang masasayang yung ginagawa nyo, kailangan alam nyo kung para saan yun. All I want to say is keep it fun and educational. So, trial 1. Ito yun. Nag-stop siya ng 12 seconds na abot na niya. So, isa 24. So, malas 12 lang din. Isa 37. So, medyo constant naman. Plus 12. Okay na. In all 3 trials, setup reset is done by one of the group members throwing the water out from the container and then resetting and preparing for another trial. Yung faucet ng isang ganun, sabi lang, start. Sabi kapag umangat na dito, ilalap mo lang.
Record kada
1, 2, 3, go. In every trial, as soon as the faucet turns on, the timer will start. So for 3 trials, ganun yung start namin, and it would end after the water hit the 3rd mark or the farthest mark above the container that we have set. After the 3rd trial, all the data that we have gathered will be used and will be applied in Bernoulli's energy equation. Bernoulli's equation principle describes the relationship between the velocity, pressure, and the elevation. Using the equation, we are to analyze if the sum of the pressure, the velocity, and the elevation head remains constant along the tubing. But before those complicated stuff, kailangan muna makompleto namin yung table of values namin para may makompute naman kami na velocity. And with that, natapos na namin ang trial 3, and we would go now to the table of values to compute for the velocities. Bye guys! See you next time!
Assume na lang natin, 50, 100, 150.
Experiment 3. Ulit. Experiment 3 kasi natin eh. Okay lang yan. Kasi, Experiment 3 na lang tawag natin. Sabay.